Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you how to use the this keyword in JavaScript objects. Let's go. Okay. Now this method refers to the object itself that it's surrounded by. So now if I have, let's see, I have age as 10. Okay. Remember the console, the log object dot age 10, right? Very good. But this age can also be gotten in a function. In a function, we can also run methods, which are functions, inside an object. This keyword simply points to an object which it is bound. Okay. Now, if I'm using this keyword here, this keyword actually refers to this object itself. Okay. And most of the time you call it with a function. So I can say, let's say get objects name. Get the name, then function, right? And this function is going to return, they're returning this age here, right? So I can say return objects dot name dot age, sorry. Okay, now if you console the log, age object dot age is getting this, right? But let's get this object name. So let's see, dot get object name. The method is a function. So yeah, let's see what it returns to us. Let me return let's console. Yeah, so we console that. Let's or we even call it outside console. So we have this. Yeah, so when we console the log, this actually gives us the items are inside this object. So now we have age 10. Get object as a function. Okay, can you see? So I can say console log this dot age and get us 10 automatically. Yeah, 10. So now we are able to access this object, just like saying console log. Like we did earlier, just like saying console dot log objects. Error we had before, which we had 10. Okay, here I can also, let's try it again. Object.age. So we have 10. So can you see the same thing? So this object actually there refers to the OBJ object itself. This OBJ object itself. Okay, now you can use this to solve a lot of problems. I mean a lot of problems. So now what I will do is, assuming you want to authenticate a user, okay, with the username, an email, or a password, or whatever, this can be done. This can be done directly inside this object. Okay. For example, I want to create a mathematical function. Okay. That can add, or that can subtract, or that can add, that can subtract, that can multiply, and the rest. So here I can give this one sum. I can give this one subtract. Okay. Now what we do is this object dot, this one doesn't exist again. Maybe having the arrow. Then we have sum. Okay. We have the age of two people, age of A and age of B. If the second person is 30 years. Okay. So now what I want to do is get this age and get this age and then add them up together. So I can say console.log this.age A, right, plus this.age B. Okay. Now can you see that is giving us 40, which is 10 plus 30, automatically as 40. Okay. Now what if we have to carry the mathematical function such that we have to add the age together and then divide the result by 5. Okay, we have to add the age together and divide the result by 5. That's very simple. So I can say okay, or add what we have to add this age together and subtract the result by 30. Subtract the result by 30. What if we have to add these two numbers and then subtract the result from 100? Okay, now we have this, which is the sum here is consoling, right? But let's not console now, let's return this of h plus this of, so we are going to have 10 plus, you cannot see the return statement in the console tab here. So we have h 10 plus 30, that's going to give us 40. Now what next we want to do is to say let's subtract equal to, now I want to get the answer that we got here. Very good. This answer that we got here, right, is from sum, right? And this sum is a function under this, so I can say this, which is still referring to this object that is here, right? Or I can say obj, but I don't want to do that. We know we're more advanced, so I can say this dot sum, and sum is a function. Okay, right? Then we have a constant. Subtract the result from 100, right? So constant is 100. Constant, our value is 100. So I can automatically say that let's say console.log subtract the value minus subtract. So check it out automatically. And I'm going to call obj.subtract. Then we should be having 100 minus 40, which is 60. Like you see, we have the result of 60. So what happens here is very simple. We have an object containing age for the first person and age of the second person as 10 and 30. Okay, then we carry out the sum, which is a function that can keep these two values using this method. Just method just like saying object.age. So now we don't use object.age, we don't use more advanced, we use this.age. This here refers to this obj here. So like saying obj.age, so which is 10, then plus this.hb, which is obj.hb, which is 30. So we have 10 plus 30, we are returning a value of 40. Now we now got this value that we got from here inside this subtract as a function, right? So now how do we get what is here? By saying this same object dot sum, right? But we don't want to use obj, we want to use this, which is still referring to obj. We say this dot sum, which is this. Now because this function is returning 40, automatically this subtract value here, this SCBT value here is automatically going to 40. Okay, also the like that, also the log SCBT, that's giving us 40. Can you see that 40 above? So we got the 40 and then we said constant value that we have to subtract from is 100. So we said console log that value minus whatever we got from here. Okay, and we call the function, since we are running this function, the subtract as the last function. So we said obj dot subtract. Now note, you cannot use this dot subtract here outside of the function. If you use this dot subtract, that will run some error, because this is only called within the object that it is in. This is within this object. This object, what we have here and what we have here. We call it outside, we got just an error. So we said const, you can see concat error. This is not a function. Okay, now but if I use obj, but yeah, so we have the answer already, 40 and 60, which is this 40 and this at 100. Right, now outside of the function, if I say console the log this, it was list of the window object here, so for the dome and every other thing that you can see, right? We have the location, we have the click on click or change and device drag and different things. Okay, we find a lot of properties, a lot of things to use in JavaScript, right? Now this is also same as saying console the log window. Console the log window, that's what happens. Can you see we have this is the console log this, right? Which is this, and we have console log window, which is this. So if you have any question, please don't forget to drop in the comment section. Keep learning, keep pushing. Alright, so guys, we come to the end of this session. Have any question, please don't forget to comment in the comment section. So we'll meet again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Have a nice day.